Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to purchasing on Udemy with Pix. Just follow these easy steps. As you know, Pix is one of the payment methods available to you on udemy.com. You will see the option to use it as your payment method on the checkout page. During the checkout process, click on Pay with Pix and Proceed at the bottom of the page. You will then be redirected to an Adyen payment landing page. You will be asked to input your first name, last name, and CPF/CNPJ, along with additional payment information. Once you confirm your information, a QR code will be generated in another window. Using this QR code, you can navigate to your banking or wallet app participating in Pix. Once you have successfully scanned the QR code or pasted the QR code data, you will be redirected to confirm payment. After Udemy receives confirmation that your payment has been completed, your courses will appear in your My Learning page. Generally speaking, this should not take longer than 30 minutes. In some cases, however, it may take longer before the transaction is processed. If you notice your Pix payment is still pending after 24 hours, please contact Udemy support and provide a receipt showing that the Pix was paid, so we can assist you further. And you are done. So by using this method, you can easily purchasing on Udemy with Pix. Hopefully, this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.